Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I am Dixon MC. Hope all you know me. And I'm with a big man. I told you one day I was in Paris, and today he came to arrest me. But a good chance he found me when I'm ready. Buzakuwazi.
Thank you. Praise Jesus, everybody. Assistant Superintendent of Police, Wabulijjo Patrick is my name.
Yeah.
I'm a minister of the Word. I minister with the Trinity Christian Worship Ministries, Kasokoso, under the pastorship of Reverend Stephen Gombe.
Yeah.
I am here today with my friend, Dixon MC.
I've heard of you talking about something related to youth and whatever.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm here with my brother, Emma Worshiper.
Yeah.
He is our youth pastor.
Yeah.
And together we have come to bring a package to the youth. He has come up with youth retreat this month. You know, the month of August is the youth month. So we are coming up to reach out to the youth in the community, to empower them, to create them a sense of belonging, and to level a ground for them to have, a family set up where they can be attended to, they can be reached out to, they can be taught, they can share the love, they can share food from the same plate. Amen. So that is why we are here. So we are here today at Family Radio to seek a partnership with them.
Yeah.
Because being a community radio, this is an opportunity for Family Radio to partner with us.
Now, to people watching you, can you tell us where specifically it's going to be hosted, and what time and when?
The retreat is going to be at our church hall, Kasokoso, TCM Kasokoso. Please don't miss. Be there from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, from Friday of the 19th through Sunday of the 21st.
What should we expect as participants? Do you need only the youth, or you need the whole?
There's no internationally agreed age bracket for youth. It can be 50 or 60, still be counted a youth. It's all about what you do that defines your youthhood. Everybody is welcome, but we have organized a package for young youth. I can put it that way. Those who are between 15 to 30 years old. The kind of challenges they face. We have in store a number of motivational speakers.
Wow.
We have powerfully anointed men and women of God who are going to speak to them. Okay. We have got behavioral change trainers, people who will come and empower them. We are going to feed people. We're going to give them drinks in the morning. We're going to give them lunch. So and we have got a lot of things for them in store. They are going to be entertained. There's going to be a lot of gospel performances. There's going to be a lot of teaching. There's going to be a lot of deliverance, preaching, and a lot of things. It's going to be an activity-packed days of right from Friday to Sunday.
I think you don't need to miss this. There is a lot that we're going to learn. There is a lot that you should expect. Kwata Ukubo just joined the route to Kasokoso. I think it's not far from Kasokoso Beach.
Not very far. Okay. It's actually a stone throw away from Kasokoso.
So let's all be there. Don't miss. By the way, leaving alone that, we shall even have the artists like you.
Yeah.
To perform.
Many of them.
Don't miss Emma, the worshiper. He's going to be there. And just to make a reminder, on 11th, that is September. Don't miss. Afande, tell people something small about my concert.
Don't miss that concert. I personally will be there. I'll be there with my team, and we are going to enjoy. We are going to glorify the Lord.
Why should people support artists, gospel artists?
That is one of the ways of glorifying the name of the Lord. The goodness and whatever God has done in our life. We have all reasons. You should not fail to find a reason to glorify God, His name, and to thank Him for His goodness, for His protection, for His provision, gift of life, everything. So if you can partner with these gospel artists in sending the message, letting their messages in their songs reach out to all the world, in so doing, you are partnering with the ministry. We are partnering with the kingdom of heaven, not just paying as such, paying. It's not all about just paying, but it's about partnering with the kingdom of heaven to expand the spread of the gospel. Amen.
Don't miss. It will be on 11th of September, mwezi ogomwenda. 2022 at we shall be at the New Evangelical Testament Church where Pastor Mtebi is tubereyo. Emma the worshipper will be there too, and he has bought a ticket of 100,000. Let's all be there, and may the Lord bless you.
Be blessed.